Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ke Sangma ha kesngi palai Ïaroh ya ka Sorkar Pdeng kabalawanra ya ka Women Reservation Bill hapo Parliament da ka baong bakani ka senjam kan plela ya ka jingi shimbenta ka bakhambun jang ki kenthei ha ka kam nong ya lam san Hima sima habagran chekla pathai kubor usangma ulabatai ya ka ni ka bill kum ka jing dawa ka bala slem baha bat ulapan pau ya ka jing sngongu ya menteri Rangba adu kari Narendra Modi baulawanra ya ka ni ka bill ula kedau bakane ka jing thumu kan penbha shibu ni kilat kilenti na kbenta ki kenthei ban shim ni ki kam kum ki nong mi khman.
This women's reservation bill that has been introduced in the parliament in the special session today is a very, very welcome step on part of the government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister. This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole. Limitation is, of course, another aspect. If you look at the overall demographic changes that are taking place, population trends that are there, delimitation is the need of the hour. So hence it must be done. And overall, to implement the Women's Reservation Bill or the Act when it is passed, we will be looking at the details of how it will be implemented. So those details are not with us right now. But as I said, I'm sure discussions will take place and there will be scope for discussion and scope for intervention to see how the implementation of both delimitation as well as the Women's Reservation Act, which is a bill right now, but as and when it is passed, will not be as disruptive as it could be, and the disruption could be minimized. So yes, both need to go hand in hand.